Hi guys, I'm back with our Wednesday Washi Tip, and this week I have a hack for adding fonts and scripts into your planner or your bullet journal. I am not someone who likes my hand lettering. I need to do a lot more practice on it. So I use this hack a lot in my videos. I don't know if you've ever noticed that I have the words kind of grayed out and then I will go back over them with marker. So this is that little hack that I use. You can actually print any words on an inkjet printer and lay your washi tape right over it, press firmly and kind of rub it in, and then peel it back up carefully not to rip the paper. And it will transfer the words to the back side of the washi tape. How cool is this, guys? And you can put it directly in your planner. And this is really helpful, especially when it comes to script fonts and things that you wouldn't necessarily be able to hand letter anyway, even if you are someone who enjoys your handwriting. And it also helps you to line it up the first time around. I'm really bad at centering and aligning my words perfectly. And this also just creates sort of a guide for you to space it out, even if you're going to go back over it with the marker and write over it like I do in my bullet journal. Now this works best for traditional washi tape and solids. Now if you have a foil or a pattern tape, I have a different hack that you can use. You can see here, I'm going to take the foil tape, and when I do the exact same process, it's going to transfer it to the back side, but you can't see it on the other side because it doesn't have the same transparency. So if you have that, you're just going to take a plain piece of paper, lay it over a printed sheet, exactly how it's going to print out, and then lay your washi on that blank paper, looking underneath at the shadow and making sure that you're aligning it up, and then just run it through your printer. Now, you have to let it cure for a long time. I am talking print it the day before you're going to do your planner spread. Let it sit for 24 hours because it will be smudgy when it comes out, and you have to let it sit for a long time. But look how nice it looks when it's done. So to check it, I just take a tissue and I blot gently. And if none of the ink comes up, then it's permanent. Make sure not to rub because you could smudge your words. And after you've waited as long as you'll wait for it, it's really frustrating to do that. But then you can just peel the foil tape or your pattern tape right up, put it right into your journal, and you're ready to go. How cool is this hack? I can think of a million ways to use it, from handmade cards to place settings at your holiday table. There are all sorts of amazing uses for this hack. I hope you guys found this tip helpful this week. If so, be sure to hit that like button. And if you want updates on all things washi, including DIYs, hacks, and tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to our channel. And as always, guys, happy Washi Wednesday.